I was searching for a Linux distribution that could deliver rock-solid stability, tight security, and great gaming performance all at once. That search led me to MX Linux AHS, Advanced Hardware Support, Xfce, and it has proven to be the perfect fit. Based on the Debian stable branch but paired with the Liquorix kernel, MX Linux offers a massive advantage over vanilla Debian for gaming. Furthermore, because it uses sysvinit instead of systemd, it completely bypasses the recent age verification uncertainties associated with systemd components. The Xfce 4 desktop environment is incredibly lightweight. Applications launch almost instantly without eating up precious system resources. While many distros are rushing to adopt Wayland, MX Linux still uses X11 because Xfce's Wayland integration is still a work in progress. For my workflow, this is actually a massive plus. I rely heavily on tools like Xcel and Redshift, which simply work better and more reliably under an X11 environment. When it comes to managing software, MX Linux gives you the best of all worlds. Out of the box, you can install standard Debian stable packages, Flatpaks for updated user applications, and even Debian backports or MX testing repositories if you ever need cutting-edge software. Daily driver apps like LibreOffice, KeePassXC, and Stacer launch incredibly fast and run smoothly. Thanks to the Liquorix kernel, Steam works flawlessly. Native, open-source games like Zero AD, Minetest, and Zonotic run beautifully. To save local storage space, I've built a clever hybrid gaming setup using GeForce Now for non-FPS games to avoid filling up my drive with massive installs. I also use a dedicated Epic Games container in Firefox to stay logged in and claim weekly free games, which I then stream via GeForce Now. Sober is perfectly configured for playing Roblox. The only notable downside is that setting up Waydroid is essentially impossible here due to its hard dependencies on Wayland and systemd. However, this isn't a deal breaker for me, as I prefer keeping my mobile gaming strictly on my actual mobile devices. One of the first things you should do right after installing the distro is set up Quad 9 DNS to add a robust layer of privacy and enhance your security further. Beyond that, the built-in MX tools make the entire experience incredibly user-friendly. Setting up system snapshots or a live USB with persistence is unmatched, the Conky setup is ridiculously simple to configure, and changing default applications is a breeze, making it completely painless to set Firefox private browsing as the default browser. The development team is also incredibly reliable. I've interacted with them directly in the MX Linux Facebook group, and they have always been helpful, welcoming, and responsive. Overall, MX Linux is a brilliantly maintained distribution backed by a stellar community, delivering rock-solid stability paired with exceptional usability.